the smoke coming out from barbecue. Assalamualaikum. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, barbecue part. Yeah, wow, ये याक है. अच्छा जी, ये क्या है? अच्छा, मलाई बोटी. And this is chicken legs. Okay, which one is the best? Yak meat. Okay, guys, I'm also very excited. I have never tried yak barbecue. How much is one stick? Okay जी, 2 stick दे दो. जी, शुक्रिया. कहाँ से? अच्छा जी, मैं बहुत भूख लगी. Mashallah, very nice man. Wow, look at the smoke is coming from here. Nice shop, by the way. Look at this. Antique, local type of cuisine from Hunza, Karimabad. Wow, ready. Mashallah, गरम गरम ताजा ताजा. Excuse, मेरे दोस्त के, मेरा पहले yak barbecue. Check करो. Okay, Bismillah. Wow, it looks very oily and scrumptious. Oh, garam garam. Oh my God, the juiciness of yak meat is incredible. Right? मैं किया ब्रुशेस की मजेदार बोलती हूँ. This is good for you. Sara? 400? Okay. Yeah. Guys, these were my first yak meat barbecues here in Pakistan in Hunza. Write in the comments what should I try next, and like